Hello friends, you are watching Asha Naturecure. Click on subscribe button and press bell icon. Hello friends, you are watching Asha Naturecure. Click on subscribe button and press bell icon for latest updates.
In this SURYA BHEDANA Pranayama, the inhalation is carried out through the right nostril and the exhalation is through the left nostril. The SURYA meaning sun and BHEDANA is piercing or breaking through something. Now let us see the practice. Adopt Nasika Mudra in your right hand. Close the left nostril. Now inhale deeply through the right nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale completely through the left nostril. This makes one round. Now let us practice it for 9 rounds.